So as emphasized in other videos, when we're adding or subtracting polynomials, you have to make sure that the exponent is the same. Otherwise, even though they have the same letters, they can be added unless the exponent is the same on both. So before we can even do any combinations, we have parentheses that we need to get rid of. We got this parentheses, we got to get rid of. And how do we do this is by doing distributive property. Now, I know you don't see this number here, but there's always a 1 in front of a parentheses if there is no number in there already. And as you can see, it's going to make a big deal because here is actually a -1 while this one is a +1. And you're going to see right now why that makes a big difference. First of all, let's distribute this +1 to all three terms. So 1 times f to the third power is basically going to stay the same. The same is going to be for -5f, and the same thing for the 25. However, what's going to happen when you multiply these three by a negative number? Well, everything's going to change sign. -1 times 4 is actually -4f squared. -1 times a -12 is +12f. And -1 times a +9 is -9. So as you can see, the signs change completely, which is also going to change your answer completely. So now let's, like I said, let's go ahead and look at the exponents. Well, this is the only one that's a third power, so we're just going to bring it down. F to the third power, and that's already used. What is the second biggest exponent? It's f squared. Is there another f squared? Nope. So we're just going to do -4f squared, and we've used this one. And this is f to the 1, and look, there's another f to the 1. So you have -5f's, and you have +12f's. Well, what's -5 plus 12? If I were to get my calculator, let me check. That's actually a +7. +7f, which means we've used these. And what's 25 minus 9? 25 minus 9 is simply 16 plus 16. And that's it, guys. We simplify the polynomial. And notice how much of a change it did when we distributed by a negative number. It matters a lot.